I'm Phil, co-founder of AttackForge. Welcome to Tutorial 10. In this video, I'll show you how to export your project vulnerabilities to your own ServiceNow tenant. ServiceNow is one of the most commonly used ticketing applications globally. Exporting to ServiceNow is a great way to get your vulnerabilities or bugs across to developers to start fixing them right away. Each vulnerability is raised as an incident in ServiceNow, which you can then assign to people to start fixing the issues faster. You can start by clicking on the ServiceNow button from your project dashboard. Here we add the connection details to export the vulnerabilities to your ServiceNow tenant. Don't worry, we don't store these details anyway. By default, the category is set to software. You can select from other categories which may be more relevant. You can add individual issues or select all issues. In this case, we'll select all. After we submit, you'll see that it's now processing our request, and the vulnerabilities should appear in ServiceNow shortly. If we now check ServiceNow and refresh, you'll see that the incidents have now been raised. If we preview one of them, you can see all the information has been sent across, including title, priority rating, tags, user details, description, attack scenario, recommendation, notes, and proof of concept. There you have it. Exporting your vulnerabilities in AttackForge to ServiceNow is easy to do. We also have the same export functionality available for Atlassian Jira, which is covered in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.